Hello everyone, my name's Pete and I'm here to talk to you today about the importance of temporary works in construction. When I normally tell people I'm a civil engineer, they say to me, "Oh, you must build loads and loads of bridges." However, when I tell them I'm a temporary works designer, I work across lots of different projects, but my design's only in place for a few weeks maximum and aren't part of the finished product, they normally get bored and disappointed. However, without temporary works, we wouldn't have any of the amazing structures we have in place today. A good example of temporary works is in the construction of something underground, such as a basement. So, my friend here, Larry, really wants a new basement for his house. However, he doesn't know anything about construction, temporary works, soil mechanics, or health and safety in general, so just starts to dig. So as Larry starts to dig into the ground, represented by these polystyrene balls, you can see it's very poor ground, and so starts to collapse in on itself almost immediately. And if he's not careful, Larry's going to get buried alive. We can stop this happening by using sheet piles, in this case represented by these bits of cardboard. So if we place these around the excavation, it'll basically restrain the soil from falling inside it. You can either do this in two ways. Either you can push the full depth given to you by the designer, as we're doing here, or you can do what's called push and dig, where you dig a bit, push in, and then dig a bit more. This is good if you've got really stiff ground. So now, as we start to dig out, none of the polystyrene balls can fall into the excavation. The problem we've got now is as we dig, there's a higher ground pressure on this side as to inside the excavation, and so the sheet piles want to move inwards. We can stop this happening by using a support frame with props which we can place inside the sheet piles. This now restrains the sheet piles from moving inwards and basically balances itself on either side. So now we can dig to the full depth required by Larry's basement. And now Larry has a basement ready for the permanent works construction.